In this video, you will learn how to view and apply filters from Map My Customer's mobile application. First, you will need to access the map view from the bottom navigation menu. Filters are represented by pill icons at the top of the map that you can easily tap a given filter set and scroll to the right to see more. Map My Customers offers a variety of quick filter options, including entity type, whether you want to filter by company, people, or deal record. Nearby is for filtering records within a selected number of miles of your current location. Records over cadence, records with no recent contact, and many more. To add your own filters, tap the filter icon next to the search bar and tap over Add a Filter. You will be able to select from the 4 basic filter types. This time, we're going to look for a color. You can also add multiple filters at once for a unique map view. You press the blue back button to return to the map view and see all of your filter pins display. If you will use this filter with frequency, go back to the filter icon and tap Save the currently applied filter option. This will lead you to assign the name of the filter, as well as set the visibility and bookmark it for a quick access. To apply filters from the list view, follow the same path by tapping the filter icon at the top of the page. To learn more about filters, please visit our support portal.